Forget your standard French toast sticks that you find at the store. You're going to learn how to create the ultimate epic breakfast right here on this channel. These French toast sticks are thick and they're loaded with tons of cinnamon that's going to redefine your definition of epic breakfast. So get ready to witness an epic breakfast creation that's going to have your jaw drop and have you coming back for more. Are you ready? Okay, so some of the few key items that you'll need are cinnamon sticks, because grinding your own cinnamon makes all the world of a difference when making French toast sticks. Of course, your spice grinder, vanilla extract. You can use Texas toast, or you can try our homemade bread recipe, and we'll have that toward the end of the video where you can click on and learn how to make your own loaf of bread. Now, the key to having French toast sticks is you want to use stale bread. That's right, because if you have the bread too soft, then it's going to be all mushy and soggy, and it's not going to do well. So you want to leave your bread out for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight. We usually leave ours out overnight, and that way in the morning time it's ready. So having a dry bread actually helps the bread to absorb the egg mixture a lot better, and it gives it a more superior texture and flavor to your French toast to where it's not falling apart. Say you forget to leave it out overnight, no problem. You can just preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and just cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that should dry out your French toast bread still. Okay, so first you want to go ahead and cut your bread, and if you're obviously using our homemade bread recipe, we're going to be cutting this into nice thick slices. And you want your bread slices to be really thick. This is about 1 inch thick. And you're going to cut a couple slices of that. And after you cut your bread slices, you're just going to go ahead and just pre-cut it into the slices that you need. Okay, so next day, voila, we got our stale bread. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press the like button. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to grind up some fresh cinnamon sticks. How many of you all like to grind your spices and ingredients fresh? We're going to go ahead and grind this. I'm going to post this a couple times so that way they don't get jammed or stuck in there somehow. All right, and it's done grinding, as you see. Ooh wee, that smells good. It kind of reminds you of those fireball candies or the hot tamales. I'm just gonna put this in here. And it makes like a good quantity too of cinnamon. The aroma of the fresh cinnamon actually fills up your kitchen, and it smells so nice. So keep that in mind if you like the smell of cinnamon. Okay, we're gonna make our cinnamon sugar mixture. We're gonna put some granulated sugar in here, some of that freshly ground cinnamon, and just give it a good mix in. We got our cinnamon sugar mixture. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some butter and go ahead and get that fired up, your burner or stove. And we're gonna take 2 to 3 eggs, depending on how much French toast that you're actually making. I'm gonna put some milk in here. We're gonna put some vanilla extract in here. So the eggs, milk, and vanilla extract, a little bit of salt. And we're gonna give this a good beating or two. A good whisk in. Okay, so now we're gonna take our French toast sticks and we're just gonna dip them, and you just wanna kinda lay them on their side, let them soak for about 10 seconds per side. And once you have them soaked for about 10 seconds per side, we're gonna go ahead and just plop them on in. And you're just gonna cook this on medium for 2 to 3 minutes per side, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some fresh with grated cinnamon. Just to give it more of a cinnamon taste. And you're just gonna flip them on their opposite side. We're gonna let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And we're gonna sprinkle that side with cinnamon as well. And we're just gonna sprinkle it with more cinnamon. And you're just, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these again, just so I can just kind of sear off this extra cinnamon that I sprinkled on there on the back end, because we like ours loaded with lots of cinnamon. So, but yeah, you just want to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're cooked fully through. If you need to, you can always cook it on its side like this and stand it up to make sure you get some of that egg that might still be on there, because you don't want to eat raw eggs. Okay, so after they've cooked, you're just gonna put this and put them in the cinnamon and sugar, and we're just gonna coat them all around until they're nice and generously coated. And just like that. Now you're gonna do that for each of your cinnamon toast sticks. All right, and here it is, and this is what it looks like. Nice and loaded with the cinnamon and sugar, and fluffy. And we like to have a little bit of powdered sugar every now and then on our French toast and French toast sticks. But this is optional. You don't have to dust it on there, but it looks nice. All right, and so we're gonna go ahead, after dusting some of this powdered sugar on top of it as well, we're gonna go ahead and try this. So good. If this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press that like button. Comment down below and let us know how you like this French toast sticks recipe. Also, ring our notification bell so you can be notified when we upload a video. And make sure that you check out our frittata video right here and our crepes video right here.